Problem 27 asks us to find the surface area and the volume of the triangular prism. And this particular triangular prism, I'm going to start with the volume because I think volume is easiest. So I'm going to do volume equals big B times H. So that's formula for the volume of any prism. And I want to first find the area of the base. So the base being a triangle in shape is going to be 1/2 the base of the triangle. And remember, we use that right angle to identify the two pieces or two side lengths of the triangle. So 1/2 times 4 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12 times 1/2. B equals 6. So now we can come back to our volume equation. Volume equals big B times H. I don't know why I just wrote big B. Let's get rid of that. So volume equals 6 times the distance between my two bases. So that would be this value over here. 6 times 11. My volume equals 66 cm cubed. Next, we're going to find surface area. And remember, I have a prism, so it's going to have a base. Actually, it's going to have two bases. And we already found the area of one of the bases, so that's going to save me a little bit of work. Equals 6 times, remember, we have two of those. So the surface area of the two bases is 12. And now the triangle is going to have 3 rectangular sides. So I'm going to call that side A, side B, and side C. So we need to find the dimensions of each of these sides. I have one big side that's 11 by 5. That would equal 55. I have a back side over here. It's got a height of 3 and a length of 11. So that would be 33. And I have a bottom side down here. It's got a length of 4 and a width of 11. So 11 times 4. And now we simply add these values together. 12 plus 55 plus 33 plus 44. That gives me 144 centimeters squared. Now, problem 28. Again, I'm going to start with the volume first, as we have a triangular prism, so volume will equal base times height. The base is going to be the area of the two triangles, so I'm going to find my base equals 1/2 times base of my triangle is 12 times the height of my triangle is 8. So my base equals 48. We come over here, V equals 48 times the distance between the two triangles is going to be 20. And so my volume is going to equal 960 centimeters cubed. And next we have to find surface area, much the same way we did in problem 27. Again, I already know the area of one of my bases, so I'm going to multiply that by 2. So my surface area of the two triangular bases added together equals 96. And then I'll have a side A, a side B, and a side C. Now, I should be able to see that on the bottom of this image I have a 12 by 20 rectangle. On this tilting side here I have a 10 by 20. And since these two parts of my triangle here are congruent, I know this other side is going to be a slant of 10 with a length of 20. And so we add all these up together and we get 736 centimeters squared, representing the area.